Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another vlog for you guys. Basically we were about to go somewhere today, but after we were about to, I seen like a newborn baby bird that's on my hood, so I am not gonna show it because it's like very graphic. So I told Catherine to go inside to get her dad. So let me get back to you guys and we will get on to the video. Well, here's Catherine. So well, basically I end up. Oh yeah, the magic key pass holder. When I found that dead bird thing in front of my car thing, and that's when I started the video. But
yeah, go ahead, get my dad.
yeah. So we are here. What's this place? I don't know. It's something.
It's like coffee.
It's something coffee. I just don't remember, but we're just gonna see what they have. Okay, so we went to this coffee place. This is what it's called. I can't pronounce it. Like you guys could see.
It feels
Fizz Coffee.
Yeah.
The one I got, it was hazel, and hers was what, like strawberry or
Here.
That's what she got. Ice rose, like an iced coffee rose.
Yeah.
It's like our first time, like coming here. It's the coffee place is like very good. It's like inside is the inside is like nice and fresh, and then not only that, I think Starbucks is good too, but I think this one's like a little bit better too.
It is, yeah, I like it better.
But the coffee here is like much colder and like much good.
I'll come back. I will come back here again.
Yeah, cause the drinks here is like more like refreshing. Like it's like more refreshing than Starbucks.
It is.
So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be coming here like a lot more than Starbucks. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking hot. We're just at the mall. It's just that we see just freaking dumb drivers or something.
All four of them.
Yeah. So anyways, that coffee place was very good, and it's like way more like refreshing than Starbucks. But like I can't complain about Starbucks. Like Starbucks is still good.
But this become my favorite place now.
Yeah.
Became my favorite place.
Yes.
Favorite place now.
Yeah. So and this place is like the place that we went to get the coffee drinks is like way more like refreshing. Like it's because they said that they use the natural coffee beans, and then it's like more refreshing. So we're gonna let you guys go. That's why we could do our thing at the mall, whatever. So it's nothing new, nothing special. So all right, let's go. I'm done with mine.
Well, it's funny because mine has my joining one. It's hilarious.
I know. Well, I know it's because I'm the one that told him like my name. All right. Man, I'm so tired. How about you? Yeah. Yeah, I just wish that we could go back to decent again. But we have to wait until like a month and a couple of weeks. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, do you want to walk into like some stores and stuff or what? Okay. All right. Like before we go into stores, I just need to use the bathroom real quick. So, what's Catherine doing? All right, we're gonna start going. Let's go. Yeah, so we already got. So we just came to the house. So got Starbucks, came home. So right now, Catherine is in the restroom. So the rest of the day, we're gonna relax and see what we're gonna do tomorrow. We're not really sure yet, but let's see what happens. Oh my God, it's so hot.
Well, usually it would be hot all this week too.
Yeah, but this is why I told you last week. Remember that it's better if we go to a mall instead of like Westminster.
That's why I changed my last minute go bright.
Yeah,
And I just wash my hair too. I don't get
it's yeah, it's like you said. And I don't sweat.
It takes a while. And I just wash my hair too.
Don't sweat my butt. I don't sweat. I don't sweat like you do.
Beep.
Oh my God. Well, we're going. We're just going to go somewhere that's like much cooler.
With the air conditioning.
Yeah. So I already put gas in my car. So.
I actually that maturity.
Well, and I already did.
Okay.
All right. Where we going? Letting you guys go and yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
All right. Well, anyways, when we were here at the parking structure, this damn lady ended up going to a spot that it's not even a parking spot at all. And then when I was like I ended up like honking at her and she like she was backing up. And then after that she gets mad at me. And then she gets mad at me just because she doesn't know how to freaking drive. So the place that she was trying to park was in where all these lines are over here.
Yeah.
She was trying to park there, and then she ends up backing up when I end up honking at her and stuff because she was blocking the way. And then she looks back and then she starts getting mad at me just because she doesn't know how to freaking drive. I don't know. I think she needs to go back to like driving school or something. I don't know. Man, I'm so tired. So, well, someone's tired too. Yeah, but so I don't know, like, what other stores you want to go to?
I'm not thinking of right now.
Yeah. So we're just deciding on what stores to go. So I don't know yet, but it's just like I just wish that we could just go back to Disneyland and start making like some Disney videos and stuff. Captain's thinking. I don't know.
It's right there.
Yeah. All right. All right. Well, we're here at the house. We actually went to Walmart really quick to actually get some other stuff. So right now we're at the house. We're going to get something to eat in a few minutes. So I really don't know when I'm going to end the video. Maybe today or tomorrow. Not sure yet. So just gonna see what happens. All right. Hey everyone. So I'm just gonna end the video here. It's going to be like a very short video, and make sure to support this channel and also subscribe, leave a comment, hit that bell to get notified for every new video, and we will see you guys next time. Bye everyone.